reporting live from my closet. It's your chaos coordinator. Hi, I'm Wendy. I need your help today. I have these 2 boxes up above me, and they store every sheet set, blanket, and comforter that we own, but we only have 1 bed in this house. So I think we have too many. I think there's some good things that we can give to the thrift stores, secondhand stores, and I think that we can get better organized, which is all about me. So confession, there are parts of this house that are not organized. One of them is this closet. One of them is this closet. If you wouldn't mind coming along, helping me get organized. I pulled both of those gray tubs out of the closet. And the next thing I'm going to do is go through these and sort them into sheets, blankets, comforters. And we'll see what we get at the end. And Buddy is here to join us. Aw, you're so sweet. Look, there's my buddy boy. All right, so Bugs, you're going to have to move because how's Mommy going to do this? Okay, pile of pillowcases. 1 blanket, 1 quilt, 1 bottom sheet, I guess, mattress cover, 1 dog, Buddy. How many blankets is that? 4, 5? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's kind of just a flannel sheet blanket, so not too heavy, pretty light. And then sheet sets. I've got 1, 2, 3. Come this way. 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's 6 sheet sets sitting on this bed, plus there's 1 sheet set on the bed, plus there's 1 sheet set in the wash. That's 8. That's like, we could go 2 months without ever having to do laundry and put fresh sheets on the bed. I think it is time to pare down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's think about it. I saw these on Amazon and I thought, holy moly, this is like the holy grail of what I need to get organized in the closet. I'm going to share the picture right now, what they are. And then I'm also going to share the link in the description. But they are right here. It's called Space Aid Sheet Organizer 8-pack. So it's like 8 single like shoe boxes, if you will, for your sheet sets. So much easier for me than those 2 great big gray baskets. I won't have to pull the whole basket down just to get the sheet set that I need. And it's going to keep everything nice and tidy instead of everything being, 5 of one and 4 of another. I mean, we found a whole pile of pillowcases here that should have been with my sheet sets. So I'm going to do I'm talking too fast. I'm so excited. I am going to take this package apart. I'm going to figure out which sheets I want to keep. And then I'm going to figure out how to put these together. You and I are going to do this together. And then we'll put them in the closet and see how it looks. So you've seen the before of the closet. And you'll see the after once we get this all taken care of. Straightened away. Straightened away. We bought 8 of these. They came 8 to a pack. Basically, you're going to put the sheet set right here, or the blanket right here, fold this up, and it zips straight across, and then it folds like so. And you end up having this wonderful small thing that won't fall apart, won't unfold itself, on your closet shelf. I'm so excited for these. I think these are fantastic, and I can't wait to put them in use. I'm thinking though, I'm wondering, because blankets, when you stack them up, they tend to fall everywhere. They go willy-nilly. I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 4 blankets right here. I think I want to try with blankets first, and then my, what do you call this thing? What do you call this thing? It's the mattress cover. I like this one for the summer because it has that cooling feel. But these are another thing that once you put something else on top of this, or if you try to put it on top of something, it just, 100 ways. 100 ways falling down. I don't need that in my life. I need organization, tidiness. So I want to put that together. What do you think? I think. Let's give it a try. Let's try this out. Okay, first thing I'm opening it up. You got it. I'm going to put the blanket in there. I'm actually going to put also that, this one looks like it'll fit two. And then it says just put this together and zip. Stay. Hold on. This is me, learner's error. So give me just a second. I'm learning how. There we go. Had to engage the zipper. Zip. Flip up. Flip up, set the Velcro. Oh. What? And you can see in the little window that it's a yellow blanket and another blanket. I love this. This is going to be perfect. I'm so excited. Okay, well, let me set that one down. And let's go to the next one. See if I can do the zipper better this time. It's the small things in life, isn't it? I just don't have time to mess with. And this is not going to add a whole bunch of extra steps, I don't think. I mean, it's, you fold it and then you're going to put it in its little holder. And if you're like me, just having the beauty of them not falling down everywhere and not having to pull out all of them. Oh, this is so cool. You can really see which blanket I put in there. That is so cool. I love this. Okay, number 2 is done. Let's go with number 3. Advertising here. I have one set of sheets in the washing machine right now, so I saved one box for that. I did manage to get all of the blankets and all but one pair of sheets into these boxes, which is freaking amazing. The one set of sheets that didn't fit were my great big flannel sheets. I wouldn't expect them to fit. That was silly of me. I need to order the blanket holders. Same with this big comforter. This is not going to fit in one of those, and I need to be smart and order the size that will fit this. So, however, that said, I am going to take all of these and put them in the closet right now and show you how exciting it is to have everything organized, neat and tidy, and I can just pull one and make the bed and not worry about it falling over on everything else and having to pull down 50 pounds of blankets and sheets just to try to remake my bed. So, buttons on your butt. So, I always say so. I hate that. Stop saying so. Let me go put these in the closet, and then I'll meet you in there. I'll show you the difference, okay? Cool. Yay! I'm so excited with how that turned out. I am going to order 2 more boxes, I think, for blankets. But this looks amazing. This is cleaner. It's brighter in here now without the big gray sitting over me. And I know that I'm not going to be trying to pull down 50 pounds of blankets and having them crash on top of my head. Now I can see exactly what I have, exactly what I need, and I'm able to share some that we don't need anymore with a secondhand store. So, yay! Once I get those other blanket boxes in, I'll probably just take a little quick post and show you what else I did. But I'm very pleased. Thank you for helping me today. We'll talk to you next time. Yay! Chaos! We fixed some chaos today. Very happy. Okay, bye.